Imagine the Earth's surface as a giant jigsaw puzzle. The plate boundaries are where the pieces grind together. This isn't just where the action happens, it's where our world is actively built and destroyed. It's the source of massive earthquakes, towering mountains, and explosive volcanoes. Let's start where the world is born, divergent boundaries. Think of them as constructive zones where plates move apart. Deep in the Atlantic Ocean, the mid-Atlantic ridge is a massive seam where magma constantly rises, creating brand new seafloor and pushing continents apart. On land, this process is tearing a continent in two. The East African Rift is a scar stretching for thousands of kilometers, a place where, in millions of years, a new ocean will form. But where new crust is made, old crust must go. Welcome to convergent boundaries, the planet's great crunches. Here, density is destiny. When dense oceanic crust collides with a lighter continent, it has no choice but to sink or subduct. This deep plunge into the hot mantle melts rock, fueling the volcanic fury of mountain ranges like the Andes. When two continents collide, neither wants to sink. They buckle, fold, and crumple upwards, thrusting rock into the sky to create the colossal, non-volcanic peaks of the Himalayas. Finally, there's the sideways dance of transform boundaries. Here, plates aren't creating or destroying crust, they're just sliding past each other. But the motion is anything but smooth. The jagged edges catch and lock, building immense stress over centuries. Then they snap. All that stored energy is released in an instant as a massive earthquake. The San Andreas Fault is the most famous example, a constant, tense reminder of the power locked just beneath the surface. Diverging, converging, and transforming. These three movements are the engine of a global recycling program, making Earth a living, breathing planet. Every mountain range, every deep-sea trench is a scar from this violent creative dance. It's the story of our world, written in stone.